Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about parts of speech, but particularly about pronoun. So, as we all know, parts of speech has 9 parts, but previously it had 8 parts. A new has been added, so it has 9 parts. But then let us know what is parts of speech first. The system of classifying words based on their function is known as the parts of speech. They indicate how a word is used in a sentence and help you speak and write English easily and effectively. Most grammar books say that there are 8 parts of speech, like nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, conjunctions, prepositions, and interjections. But a new one has been added, and that is not unknown to anybody. It's articles, which everybody of us know. So every sentence we speak or write in English includes words that fall into some of the 9 parts of speech. So, which are the noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, articles, and interjection. So basically, a sentence cannot be constructed without parts of speech. Maybe one sentence may not have all the 9 parts of speech in it, but without parts of speech, a sentence cannot be constructed or written. So now about pronoun. What is pronoun? Sorry. Okay. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. When we write something, suppose, for example, if we say Tom is a good boy, Tom goes to school daily, Tom eats his food in time, Tom is a disciplined boy. So when I'm using Tom, it's like the repetition of same word and it sounds very monotonous or very boring to our ears. So what does a pronoun do? It replaces this Tom. Instead of using Tom every time, we can use he, his instead of Tom. So in case of boy, in case of, sorry, not boy, in case of male, it's he's, his, he, him. In case of female, it's her, she, women. Okay. So example, Jeremy ran so fast you would think his life was on the line. The pronoun his saved us from repeating the name Jeremy again. Meera loves to sing, but she is nervous on stage. Common pronouns include I, me, mine, she, he, it, we, and us. In truth, there are many different types of pronouns, each serving a different purpose. So, as we all know, we'll learn about pronoun first and second and third person. Sorry. So, what is it? The person speaking is called the first person. The first person pronouns are I or me in the singular and we or us in the plural. The person spoken to is called the second person. The second person pronoun is you in both singular and plural. And the person or animal or thing spoken about is called the third person. The third person pronouns are he or him, she or her, and it in the singular and they or them in the plural. The word I is always spelled with a capital letter. The pronoun he is used for men and boys, she for women and girls, and it for things and animals. You can see there is a table here so that you don't get confused. First person singular, I, plural, subject I, object me. Second person singular you, object also you. Third person singular he, object him. Followed by she, her, and then it is common. In plural, first person plural is we, object is us. Second person plural is you, object is you. third person they, object them. So here we come to the end of pronoun. For your understanding, there is a worksheet here. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. Oh my. So in this sentence, what you can do is you can point out the pronoun. Although the answer is given here, but try not to look at it so that you can have a clear understanding of the concept. Thank you.